the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 7:30 p.m. At 6:33 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Calumet Harbor, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Indiana Harbor, Calumet Harbor, and Burns Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the nearshore marine forecast.